Hey guys, today we are going to unbox and review this Amkette gaming pad. So let's unbox. So inside the box we get another box. Let's open this. So we see some quick start guide. This is the gamepad itself. It also has another cable which is micro USB in to USB out, which is used to connect to our PC. This is the cable itself. And let's take out the gaming pad. Keep aside this box. Let's keep aside this manual. This is the gaming pad itself. For now, let's keep this manual aside. So this is the back, and it has micro USB cable, so you can directly connect to your Android phone. And this is the joystick. It also has arrow keys, which is pretty good, and it has good amount of weight to it. So now let's have that look at that wire. So this is micro USB in to USB out. It is used to connect to PS3 and your PC. So let me show you how to connect. So you have to just slide that micro USB in. There you go. And now you have to just connect to your PC. So this gamepad also have dual rumble effect, which means it has dual vibration motors, so it will enhance your gaming experience. So before ending the video, let's have some cinematic shots, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.